Hello, my fellow English lovers. How are you doing? Are you okay? That's why. Good or great. I'm here to teach you English as usual. I'm going to learn together very fantastic lesson, which talks about some phrases that I use English lovers how to get this very English lesson. If you are a beginner, this is a special opportunity that we are going to get this lesson. Hello, my fellow English lovers. How are you doing? Are you okay? That's why. Good or great. I have to teach you English as usual. I'm going to learn together very fantastic lessons, which talks about some phrases that I use English lovers how to get this very English lesson. If you are a beginner, this is a special opportunity that we are going together now. Muraho bakunzi bacu badukurikiye kuri icyongereza cyacu dukunda. Amakuru mumeze neza, ni byiza. Ndi hano ngo mbigishe icyongereza rero nk'ubisanzwe. Tugiye kurebera hamwe iyi nyigisho nziza rwose y'icyongereza kugira ngo tubiganireho, hanyuma icyongereza cyacu tubashe kuba twagikominikana. Niba uri mutangizi rwose ndakubwiza ukuri yuko ari byiza, ari ingenzi. Niyo mpamvu tugiye kubirebera hamwe kugira ngo ubashe kumva aho utabashaga gufatanura neza ubashe kuhafatanura, hanyuma ubashe kuhasobanukirwa. I'm used to teach you English, so that's the reason why now you must follow if you want to continue to learn this lesson. Follow me. This lesson can help you, so let's get started. So now we are going to see different sentences, how you can use always or occasionally. Occasionally cyangwa se always, ayo magambo wayabonaga ariko ukayoberwa uburyo akoreshwa, ariko ubu ngubu tugiye gukoresha ijambo ryitwa always, ibintu tuba twahoramo mu gitondo. This is practice in the morning. Yes, let's get started. I am always very busy in the morning. I'm always very busy in the morning. Buri gihe mpora muze mu gitondo. I am always very busy in the morning. I usually get up at 6:10 o'clock in the morning. I usually get up 6:10 in the morning. Nk'ibisanzwe mpora mbyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. I usually get up at 6:10 in the morning. I usually get up 6:10 in the morning. Sanzwe mbyuka saa 12:10 za mu gitondo. I always make the bed in the morning. I always make the bed in the morning. I usually, I always, I always make the bed in the morning. Buri gitondo nsasa uburiri bwanjye cyangwa se igitanda. I sometimes go for a run in the morning. I sometimes go for a run in the morning. Igihe cyose mpora niruka mu gitondo, ni ukuvuga ngo mu gitondo njya nko muri ka siporo nyine, muri jogging nyine ni nka ka siporo umuntu aba abyukiyemo. Sometimes rero ntabwo ari nka buri gihe, urebye ni nko gufata umunsi nk'ibiri mu cyumweru ya buri gitondo, ariko ukabyimenyereza nyine ukagira gute, ukajya nko muri ka siporo. Nawe rero jya ufata wenda nk'iminsi ibiri mu cyumweru uzaba uri gukora ka siporo. Yes, niyo mpamvu iyi nteruro ivuga ngo I sometimes go for a run in the morning. Yes. I always take a shower in the morning. I always take shower in the morning. Buri gihe njya muri douche mu gitondo. I always brush the teeth in the morning. I always brush my teeth in the morning. Buri gihe mu gitondo noza amenyo yanjye. I always brush my teeth in the morning. I always make a coffee in the morning. I always make a coffee in the morning. Buri gihe mu gitondo nteka icyayi cyangwa se nkora icyayi, ikawa. Yes. I always make breakfast in the morning. Buri gitondo nkora ibya mu gitondo. Buri gitondo mpora nkora ibya mu gitondo. I always read the newspaper in the morning. I always read the newspaper in the morning. Buri gitondo mpora nsoma ikinyamakuru. I always check my email in the morning. Buri gitondo mpora ngenzura email yanjye mu gitondo. Yes. I always leave for work around 8:30 in the morning. Buri gihe mpora njya ku kazi saa mbiri n'igice. Yes. I always leave for work around 8:30 in the morning. I always leave for work at around 8:30 in the morning. I always leave for work around 8:30 in the morning. Yes. Now it's your turn. Yes. Let's come back. Now we are going to see a question. How you can ask a question. How you can answering a question. Ni gute ushobora kubaza ibibazo muri aka practice. Cyangwa se ni gute ushobora kubyumva. Wabyumva ute? How you can listen. Yes. Let's ask a question. This is a question. Let's continue. What time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up in the morning? What time do you get up in the morning? Ubyuka gihe kira mu gitondo. Ubyuka ryari? Yes. Nushatse wabaza umuntu ubyuka gihe ki mu gitondo. Yes. Ni gutya wamubaza. What time do you get up in the morning? Yes. Byuka gihe ki? Mu gitondo. Do you make the bed in the morning? Do you make the bed in the morning? This is a question. Do you make the bed in the morning? Waba usasa uburiri bwawe mu gitondo ra? Waba usasa uburiri mu gitondo? Niba ari yego, yes, ufite ukuri bwasubiza. Do you go for run in the morning? Do you go for run in the morning? Wiruka mu gitondo ra? Waba wirukanga mu gitondo? Run ni ukwirukanga. Run. Do you take shower in the morning? Do you take shower in the morning? Waba ujya muri douche mu gitondo ra? Waba ujya koga? Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Waba wiborosa mu gitondo? Do you make coffee in the morning? Do you make coffee in the morning? Waba uteka icyayi mu gitondo? Cyangwa se waba ukora ikawa mu gitondo? Yes, ari nka boss rero ugomba kumutekera agakofi ka mu gitondo. Do you read newspaper in the morning? Waba usoma ikinyamakuru mu gitondo ra? Waba usoma ikinyamakuru mu gitondo? Do you check your email in the morning? Do you check your email in the morning? Waba ugenzura email yawe mu gitondo? What time do you leave for work in the morning? What time do you leave for work in the morning? What? Cyangwa se what? What time do you leave for work in the morning? Ni gihe ki ujya mu kazi mu gitondo? Ni gihe ki ujya mu kazi mu gitondo? Yes, niba ujya mu kazi mu gitondo saa 2 uzavuga ngo I go for work at 8:30 in the morning. Yes, this is example. So how you can see this lesson? How can you see this lesson? How you can listen this lesson? Ni gute wumvisha iri somo? Warikuyemo iki? Ese ryakubanye ryiza? Ese ntago uryishimiye? Yes, niba ubona rero atari ryiza twandikire muri comment. Gukora unlike ni wowe urabihitamo wakora like cyangwa se unlike. Yes, hanyuma ukatubwira wenda ni impamvu washyizeho iyo like cyangwa se dislike. Hanyuma wenda na sentence wabonye atari ingenzi muri iri somo ukayandika, hanyuma ukabasha kurisubiramo. Yes, niyo mpamvu rero natwe tuba twabazaniye iri somo kugira ngo ribashe kugira icyo ryabafasha. Niyo wabona iyi video usanzwe uzi Icyongereza, waduteza imbere cyangwa ugasharinga inshuti zawe. Murakoze, thank you. Kugira ngo mwe mudushyigikire.